Managing a family budget is the foundation of financial well-being. By properly allocating income and controlling expenses, you can avoid debt, ensure stability, and even build savings for future goals. In this article, we will break down the step-by-step process of maintaining a family budget, helping you gain financial confidence and avoid money problems. Defining goals. Before you start budgeting, it is essential to determine your family's financial goals. These can be short-term, e.g., purchasing household appliances or planning a vacation, or long-term, saving for children's education, buying a home, retirement savings. Clear goals help allocate resources efficiently and motivate all family members to manage finances wisely. How to set financial goals. Identify what is important for your family in the next year, 5 years, and 10 years. Divide goals into essential, mortgage, children's education, and desired, travel, car purchase. Calculate the amount needed to achieve each goal. Set deadlines for each goal. Track progress and adjust goals as needed. 2. Calculating income. First, you need to record all sources of family income. Primary income, salaries of both spouses. Additional income, bonuses, part-time work. Passive income, rental income, interest on deposits, investments. Social benefits, child support, pensions, government assistance. Only record reliable monthly income. For irregular earnings, bonuses, commissions, use conservative estimates. 3. Tracking expenses. To manage finances effectively, you need to record all expenses. They fall into the following categories. Fixed expenses, utilities, mortgage, rent, loans, taxes, insurance. Variable expenses, groceries, clothing, household supplies, transportation. Entertainment, dining out, movies, trips. Education and personal growth, courses, books, tutors. Healthcare, medications, dental care, medical checkups. Savings, funds allocated for future goals and emergency funds. Methods to track expenses. Manually noting them in a journal. Using Excel or Google Sheets. Using mobile apps. Utilizing automated banking services for expense analysis. 4. Analyzing financial status. After gathering data for a month, compare income and expenses. If income exceeds expenses, increase savings or investments. If expenses exceed income, review the budget and cut unnecessary costs. Identify categories where you can optimize expenses without lowering your quality of life. 5. Optimizing expenses. Ways to save without sacrificing comfort. Shop with a list to avoid impulse purchases. Use discounts, promo codes, and loyalty programs. Review subscriptions and cancel unnecessary ones. Replace branded products with quality alternatives. Cook at home instead of eating out frequently. Avoid impulse purchases, wait 24 hours before making a big purchase. 6. Creating an emergency fund. An emergency fund helps in unforeseen situations, illness, job loss, urgent expenses. The optimal size is 3 to 6 months of your expenses. How to build an emergency fund. Set aside 10 to 20% of your income monthly. Keep the money in a separate account with limited access. Invest part of the savings in safe instruments, bank deposits, bonds. 7. Using convenient tools. Technology makes budgeting easier and faster. Popular tools include mobile apps. Excel and Google Sheets, a flexible option for independent tracking. Automated banking services, expense analysis and automatic fund allocation. Choose the option that works best for you and incorporate it into your daily routine. 8. Family budget planning together. Financial discussions should involve the whole family. Assigning responsibilities and maintaining transparency can help avoid misunderstandings and financial conflicts. How to organize family finances. Hold monthly budget meetings. Assign responsibilities. One spouse manages the budget, another oversees grocery expenses and household needs. Involve children in financial discussions to instill financial literacy. 9. Regular monitoring and adjustments. A budget should not be static. Analyze it monthly, identify mistakes, and adjust goals as necessary. How to track progress. Review the budget monthly and compare it with the plan. Analyze unexpected expenses and find ways to minimize them. Adjust the budget based on income changes and new financial goals. Conclusion. Managing a family budget is not a challenge but an opportunity to handle finances effectively. By following this step-by-step guide, you can achieve financial stability, avoid debt, and confidently move towards your goals. The sooner you start planning, the sooner you will see positive changes. Start managing your finances today and secure a stable future. By following these rules, your family can achieve financial stability, avoid debt, and move confidently toward prosperity. Financial discipline is not a restriction but a tool that enables a comfortable and secure life, knowing that your finances are under control. Example. Switching from regular light bulbs to LED ones can save up to $200 per year. 5. Enjoy entertainment for free or at a low cost. Entertainment doesn't have to be expensive. Many people forget that there are plenty of ways to have fun without spending much. Alternative ways to have fun. Free concerts, exhibitions, and events, big cities often have them. Park walks, picnics, and bike rides, enjoyable and free. Home movie nights with friends instead of going to the cinema. Look for discounts on theaters, museums, and gyms. Many offer free or discounted days. Example. A trip to the cinema costs around $50 per person, while an online streaming subscription costs only $30 per month for the whole family. 6. Earn extra income. How to make more money. Saving is great, but increasing your income is even better. Additional earnings can help you feel financially free. How to find extra income. Sell unwanted items online. Try freelancing, writing, graphic design, tutoring, etc. Start a blog or sell handmade crafts. Consider side jobs, food delivery, online consulting, renting out property. Learn about investments. Even small amounts can generate future income. Example. If you have old books, clothes, or electronics, selling them could bring in extra cash. Conclusion. Saving money is easy. Saving doesn't have to feel like a sacrifice. The key is to spend wisely, use discounts, budget for groceries, and find free entertainment. Adding a small extra income on top of that will help you reach financial stability without feeling restricted. Try implementing at least a few of these tips, and you'll notice your budget becoming much more manageable.